Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk to you about search engine optimization, SEO. So now we will be looking a little bit in detail of this. Is just an introduction video and I will be giving an elaborate video on search engine optimization later part. So search engine optimization, to say in short, your search, your website or your social media profile or your so for if you have a YouTube or Instagram photos, your photos or your video should come on prominent when they search on that search engine box. You have a search engine box on every social media, most of the social media. If you go on the top side, mostly it will be the rectangular box with the binocular icon there. That's search engine box. Okay, so any search engine has an algorithm to show the results when someone searches with the word. They are searching with some words, right? These words are called as keywords or search engine optimum keywords. Okay, in generally they say only it as keywords. No one says a SEO keyword or search engine optimization keyword. If these keywords are there in your website and your website has a decent history of viewers, like-minded viewers, like that, there are so many factors. How long they stay on your page and how long they stay actively on your page, like that, there are so many factors, but you will get all these factors on the later stage. One important thing I have to say is, when it comes to social media optimization or search engine optimization, I say for social media optimization as well, because both are mostly the same. Here the content, the whole web content is essential, and there the tags, description and what the title they gave are important. So that's the difference. Okay, so now if this word is being pulled out and the person will looking at a few description of this, on that should create an impression that the person clicks your link. That is very important in a search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is put the full content to show your content, but the first liner which comes on the search engine page is the one which is going to make that person click your link in spite of other links. And you cannot expect a result in 4 months or 6 months. It will take time. But every day you have to study and you have to put on your efforts on marketing. Search engine marketing is the one which is going to give you immediate result. Social media marketing is one which is going to give the immediate result. On the back run, if your whole content is good, it has a good retention, and that person who sees your page comes back. The easiest techniques to make a person to come back to your page is, once he opens the link and sees your page, he has to set your page as a home page. He has to bookmark your page. You have to have something to make him do that. This method is disappearing from the website industry. This is the one which will give you the maximum result. You cannot always expect the people have become illiterate. People have learned lot of technology to saving ours as a bookmark or making our website as a home page. They will do it automatically. Never they are going to do it until you induce an interest on them to do that. They are not going to do this. So this is an important aspect of search engine optimization. Only then the person will again and again come to your page, again and again open your website. That's when your ranking is going to really go up for continuously, because not only the keywords, rare keywords are very essential. You have to identify that kind of words which is very relevant to your website. That will give you the first impression. Even though in the early days, that's only will give a good ranking for your website. Apart from that, you can give it on Google Ads, search engine ads, any ads for Bing or any search engine ads, and once it comes on the top page ad, it gets the maximum chance to be clicked. Like that, when we put on our efforts, we will get into a maximum result. So search engine optimization is using the words which are much searched on an engine, search engine, that's the Google or some Bing, or if it's a video, YouTube search box, and Pinterest or something, the photos which is searched, mainly the actor and actress photo. Many people think that or have a great struggle on understanding this. When it comes to search engine of photos and videos, who will promote that, how it will be promoted. That also has a title. Based on the title, if the title is on link with the for searching a thing on the search engine, then only it will pull. In Google, you can pull, Google search engine will pull videos and photos. That also will include actor and actress pictures, model pictures, this, and main politicians. All these people are very active on social media now. The reason is they have to create a social image. So when you do it for an actor or actress, the keywords like recent actress photos, like that they search. At that time, when you have a keyword like a recent actress photo shoot, that actress photos will come in. So like that, even the title which you give is very important in search engine optimization. Search engine optimization are not only about websites, it's about everything. Also, you will be doing it for high-tech products. For high-tech products, invite a person who frequently does webinar for that and get a write-off from him and post that, which tell him to cover all the recent advanced areas. These are, I told you about, rare keywords. You have to make sure that you have to give some selective words for them and do some corrective action and get something returned. His name will pull people in who are likely buyers of your product, but they are not going to search for your product. But because of this person's speech, they will see your website. Like that, you have to pick up people. Branding, ambassador branding comes here as well. So search engine optimization is not something like you go to a keyword tool and put some word, get some word, put it. This won't work in practically. For practically, you have to follow all the marketing techniques and implement that with the keywords which are much searched on the search engine. That's when you get a success. Your success rate increases. You should continuously market. And also, search engine has a technical SEO aspect that you have to follow with a proper technical knowledge person who designs your website. And another one thing is off-page SEO. That is, as I told you one simple example. You get a prominent person for high-tech products. You get a prominent person who develops for a scientist or a doctor or an engineer who is very popular on the field, because your product is a scientific product. So only these people uses. Now this person will be having a blog or something. Select that kind of a person who is a very prominent user of internet, who conducts webinars, whose name is known on the internet. You have to select that kind of person and ask him to talk about this product, pay him something, give him gifts, compliments, ask him to talk about your product on a webinar, and ask him to show your ad on that. Bring in people. This is offshore marketing. Blogo will be the thing on the old textbook. If he writes a blog, someone who studies writes the blog, if he has to come to your page and if you expect him to type it on the search box and come, 1,000 people watches, one person will come. If you have it, pay him something. On his webinar itself, he gives your link. Click on this link and know more about this product. It's very useful for my research. Search that as well. So many people, out of 1,000, you may have 750 people coming in. So that's the kind of an understanding you should have. Spending is very important. This is not a zero investment business. Many people use this term, cheap investment, cheap, and had made all the fields and all the knowledge to go cheap. When you want results, you have to spend, and the way you spend should be targeted. You should target and spend. That's when you will get good results. But even if you target and spend, it will take 4 or 6 months. Only when you promote and market, you will get immediate results. So this kind of offshore SEO is a marketing effort. It's not only a search engine optimum effort. Without search engine optimization, if you do an offshore campaign, it's going to be a waste. Off-page SEO marketing is a waste. You should follow the search engine optimization method, but you have to do it on a different website, different portal, different video person, and a different video site or anything. Even on the same Google, with a different website. So these are the techniques you have to use. So this is offshore SEO. Okay. So now you do have understand the concept. Main thing is about keyword. What is a keyword? How these keywords are derived? That also you should understand. These keywords are derived from the existing database where this search engine finds this keyword is much searched for these kind of products. For example, for toothpaste, you can have a keyword as a strong gum, strong teeth, whitening of teeth, tooth decay prevention. These are the types of things which would have been searched on the Google, and for that those people would have been interested on those kinds of toothpaste. So now you could clearly understand about the keyword concept. You can search it as toothpaste. On search engine also will give, they have the database. On reverse order analysis also they will do and give you the keyword. But to find more keywords on the content, I am giving you an example as toothpaste. Okay. So now based on the product, you have to select the keyword. The keyword should be something which is prominently searched on the search engine. Even though if you do that, 4 to 6 months 6 months minimum. If you do it extraordinarily good, it will take 4 to 6 months to get a decent ranking or to get enough audience. So you have to do the marketing as well. So offshore SEO is a marketing activity. So these are the key concepts I like to convey through this video, and hope you would have enjoyed this, and thank you very much for watching this with a lot of patience. And I will see you again in detailed videos about all these things, which is more about techniques, what are the things you have to analyze and all those in future. To press the subscribe button below, and on the comment box, if you have any more suggestions, suggest that. Not only me, someone else also will reply, so that you can have a meaningful interaction that will bring you more knowledge. And then you can use the share icon and press the share icon and see how many social media are there, social media tools are there. So you will see all the logos. Click on that and create an account for you on all those, and learn how to use it. Then promote my channel on that, post my channel, post my video links, and see how good the results are. You have to, on the next day, you have to go and see how many people have viewed my video. And then you can go to click on my photo and see all my videos. On that you have to select the videos which you like. You can see the title and everything. Find out which social media you can market this. Market it and see how much results are there. Do this practical activity. Because even though if you are going to use search engine optimization, you should have a fair idea about social media. So do that activities by clicking my share icon without fail. Then press the thumbs up icon as a support for me, and subscribe, it's free. Join if you are wealthy enough to contribute to me. And now it's time to say bye to you all, and thank you very much for all your support and the future support you are going to do to me. And it's time to say bye. It's Jojan J signing off from you. Bye.